Today, we're testing the off-road capabilities of the Yangwang U8, a premium electric SUV developed by BYD, China's EV giant.
We'll see how it handles extreme slope climbing and deep water emergencies.
Let's dive in. For off-road climbing, we activate this special driving mode. Our E4 off-road interface offers multiple terrain modes. Let's select the 3D terrain mapping mode. Now I'm taking my foot off the accelerator.
Watch as the system automatically climbs this steep incline. No throttle input needed for descent, and no braking required either.
The system maintains perfect control for a smooth descent.
This slope we're approaching peaks at 5 meters high.
Alright, let's get this climb started. Here comes the Yangwang U8 beginning its ascent. Now check out this incline angle. We're looking at a solid 40-degree challenge here.
We're inching our way up to the summit. Notice how I've completely lifted off the brake pedal, with precise control of the accelerator pedal,
while maintaining good awareness of our surroundings. Throughout the entire climb,
the car remained completely stable,
without any noticeable body roll or unwanted movement. And now we've successfully reached the summit. Okay, we're now continuing our descent. I'm taking my foot off the auto brake now. Alright, continuing our descent. We're about to make our descent now. Look ahead, we've got a major water crossing coming up.
The water's about 1.6 meters deep here. As we approach the water crossing,
let's get the right driving mode set up. Now we'll activate the waiting mode. Notice this red warning indicator here.
It marks the maximum waiting depth of 1 meter. Once the water reaches this level,
the system will automatically shut off the AC. We can then roll up the windows. The system automatically lifts it up. At the same time, the sunroof automatically opens. This creates an escape route when the vehicle is waterborne, giving you a safe way out. Alright, we're all set. Let's begin our water crossing. Now there are key points to remember during waterfording. Now let's check the vehicle's battery level. This is an electric motor-driven vehicle.
The system automatically maintains
a minimum 20% charge level at all times. This is displayed on the infotainment screen. The vehicle's waiting depth capability. When approaching 1 meter water depth, the system will prompt you to turn off the AC. All windows will automatically roll up simultaneously. Every window, including the sunroof, will open simultaneously. We're now in full amphibious mode. You can clearly see the waterline outside. The water is now reaching the window's lower edge.
In water mode, we're moving at 1 to 3 kilometers per hour. So here we are, tackling some off-road water crossings. Once we're out of the water, it's best to find some higher ground.
This lets any water trapped underneath drain out naturally.
We're back on the incline where we began our water crossing.
That should do the trick. And we've made it through safely. Successful water crossing complete. Check this out, the interior floor mats are completely dry, just like we want them. It stayed completely dry. If you're into smart EV tech and real-world driving tests, make sure to subscribe, there's a lot more coming.